Hey guys, how's it going? How to install an external SSL certificate on Hostinger. So first of all, go ahead to the official website and then make sure that you buy the best plan. And if you want the best plan, please visit the link in the description box to get the best offer. Now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead to the official website. If you want to know how to install SSL, you can install it from within the from Hostinger. First of all, navigate to the website settings, right? And then basically select the website to install SSL, right? Locate the website which you want to conduct manual SSL certification installation, and then click manage, right? And this actually will take you to the site's edge panel dashboard. Okay, and if you want to initiate the SSL certification from the dashboard, go to the security tab and click on SSL, right? You're gonna create security, you can click security, and under it you're gonna see SSL, and then what we're gonna do, we're gonna just initiate the upload of SSL. Okay, and as you can see right here, SSL being installed, right? And you're gonna be able to basically install it without the need to go outside of the outside of Hostinger, because Hostinger already offers the SSL certification, and it's much safer from external website. Okay, and then you're gonna verify installation, and after you verify the SSL status, you're gonna get the active check mark, and that means that you're gonna be able to secure your website. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.